only 24 hours after a 7.3 megaquake struck the country, February the 15th, 2013. A meteorite hurtled across the sky in central Russia early on Friday, breaking up over the city of Chelyabinsk and injuring some 1,000 people. Here is some live footage captured during the blast.
Ебать, а! Что это хуйня? Никит, что это такое? Бомбардировка, нахуй! Артподготовка, блин! Да не сын, пока еще ничего нету. Артподготовка это. Ебать! Что такое? Хуя заснял материал.
The 10-ton meteor entered the Earth's atmosphere going at least 33,000 miles per hour, sending fireballs crashing to Earth. The rare event caused widespread panic in Russia as the hurtling space debris set off explosions and shattered windows. November the 5th, 2012.
Thus saith the Lord.
Mankind refuses to take heed to the events taking place on the earth. What will become of man?
Because they reject me, I will go beyond the earth and use the planets to speak. Their behavior will become unexplainable.
Even the scientist will be baffled. I, the Lord, will make my mark.
My mark for the world to see. Then will they know that I am God. Then will they know that my hands are at work. I have strived with man long enough. Lest they repent, my wrath will be poured.
Revelation, August 8th, 2012. The cosmos, the galaxy experiences unusual activity that may or may not involve the result of man's activities. Luke 21:25. And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity.